it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. And today, we are with Kartel. Yeah, the teacher. No other. Tell me what you want. Yes, official audio. The reason why I took so long to react to this song, I was waiting for a video. Never see a video drop, so can't wait no longer. Take off the glasses and jump in the one here. Lots of energy. Expect it from the one here. Let's go. What you want? Yeah. How you want, you? Oh, she asked me what me want. Alright, I'm gonna tell her what me want. What me want? Yeah.
Mirror upon the wall, the favorites of them all. Yeah. We love your tire every day, cholesterol.
Yeah.
Want to lick your nipple, titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect. Perfect. Tell me, what you stuff you do? What you say again? What you say? Alright then. Me I go tell you. Yeah.
Mirror upon the wall, the favorites of them all.
Yeah.
We love your tire every day, cholesterol. We want to lick your nipple, titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect.
Yeah. We want to be your provider, your protector, your medal.
Oh, clot. What he just said? Boom your bumper like a ball. You don't know booming ball? AKA tennis ball? Boom pin ball. Jamaican call it booming ball.
All the favorites of them all. We love your tire every day, cholesterol. We want to lick your nipple, titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect.
Boom your bumper like a ball.
We want to be your provider, your protector, your medal.
Yeah.
We want your ex jealous and him see you with your gun. We want you dash your plan B, cause the baby you have to born. That's a
To all she go and the ex have it jealous. The ex have it jealous. She have to dash her plan B, cause baby have to born. Perfect. Mama clan, let's again, man. What she want? What you stuff to do? What you stuff to do? Me I go tell you. Me I go tell you. Let me tell you.
Yeah. Mirror upon the wall, the favorites of them all.
Yeah.
We love your tire every day, cholesterol. We want to lick your nipple, titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect.
Boom your bumper like a ball.
Boom.
We want to be your provider, your protector, your medal.
Yeah.
We want your ex jealous and him see you with your gun. We want you dash your plan B,
Got the baby off the ball.
that's what we want.
Tell me what you stuff to do? Tell me what you say? Let me tell you. Let me tell you again. Watch out.
Your body, your soul, your diamond, your gold. When I left you alone, out in the cold. If you rest assured, say me need you more. Bring me life support, so on and so forth.
Oh, buckler. Catch flow pussy. Catch flow pussy. Catch flow pussy. Level. Notice from Kartel forward from prison, enough of them artists here kinda dim down a bit. Them like dim. And the man a drop a song it. Watch out!
Mama hoodie na your wall and you a ball.
Yeah.
Mirror upon the wall, the favorites of them all.
Yeah.
We love your tire every day, cholesterol. We want to lick your nipple, titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect. Big bumper like a ball.
We want to be your provider, your protector, your medal.
Yeah.
We want your ex jealous and him see you with your gun. We want you dash your plan B.
Call the baby off the ball.
That's what we want.
What you stuff to do? Let me tell you. No want you.
Your body, your soul, your diamond, your
Yeah.
gold. When I left you alone, out in the cold. If you rest assured, say me need you more. Bring me life support, so on and so forth.
Road.
You're there with the code, so you know you're safe. Rolls Royce the rate, pull up at your gear. You're with the great, reciprocate. Liquor by the case, rotate your waist.
What you say? Okay. Tell me what you. Whoa. Watch out.
I want be a baby, no cat.
Yeah.
I want be a baby, no trap.
Yeah.
Turn it around and move it like that.
Yeah.
Tight and right like only you got. Clean and sexy girl like you that. Will you be my superwoman?
Yeah.
Lois Lane is only you man. she can't manage teacher.
Yeah. Listen. Yo, I want teacher, man. Hear me, I say, man. I know exactly what to do already. Just do the right thing. You see me? Yeah. I took long to react to that one here because I was waiting for a video. I was actually waiting for a video. So I never get one, but I saw it go. Big up yourself, teacher. Big up yourself. Guys are fans, big up on yourself. Drop a like in the comment section. No, drop a like on this video. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this song. You know? Uh-huh. Tell me what you want. I can tell you now. Listen, yeah.
Mama, your wall and you a bar.
Yeah.
Mirror upon the wall, the favorites of them all.
Yeah.
Mama will love your tire every day, cholesterol. Mama feel like your nipple titty bar to restaurant, yeah?
Perfect.
Boom, me bumper like a ball. Mama be your provider, your protector, your medal. Mama your ex jealous and him see you with your one. Mama your dash your plan B, cause the baby you fi born. That's what me want.
Oh my God. Yo, my God, look more. Yo, my God. Tell me what you want.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.